Welcome to our channel Tech Unlimited Solution. Here you will know about all problems and solutions related to websites, software and others. For regular updates, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. So let's start this video on how to make thumbnails for YouTube videos on Canva. First of all, open your system browser. Now write Canva in your search box to open the official website. Now click on the Canva official website to start your work. It might take some time to load, so wait for a few seconds. Click on the sign up button if you don't have an account. Sign in with your email address and password. Let the website create your user account. Now select your account type such as student, teacher, or personal, and after filling in details click on the Continue button. You can also check your video types like presentation, infographics, poster, Instagram post, logo, and much more. So let's start making our YouTube video thumbnail. Search YouTube in Canva's search bar and select the YouTube thumbnail option as you can see here. Now, it will provide you with a basic tour of Canva, like starting with a template first. You can choose from the paid and free templates too for making your thumbnail. We will choose this one here, and now you can customize it by clicking on any element. You can also upload your images from here, and it will also provide you with various platforms to import your image on Canva. The same applies to video and sound as you can see here. On Canva, editors can easily change their title, description, and images too. So, here is our title, and let's assume this line is our description. Now, we will choose our image from famous images providing sites from here. We will go with pixels here, and it will avail you of various online images according to your search term. Now click on the image to use on your thumbnail, and adjust it the same as we're doing here. Canva also provides you the option to edit your used image to change its brightness, contrast, and saturation too. You can simply change your document color according to your choice, like red, pink, blue, etc. After getting done with all the details, now give your image file a title. Or if you want, you can also play with animations to turn your image into video format. Canva also includes a feature to flip your content images vertical or horizontal, as you can see here. At the end, now click on the download button, choose your file type like PNG for high quality images, JPG for small size images, PDF for documents, or MP4 video or GIF. Users also can download their created thumbnail with transparent background or in a compressed file with a premium version. So just download your images and click on your file to open it in your system. For more content and information like this, subscribe to us. Thank you for watching.